What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy Daily Dust of Love. So welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the vlog. So today, what do we got going on? I got the 4runner behind us, as you guys can see. Bum, ba, da, bum. So what I am doing today is I got a little bit of wrap left over from the roof wrap. So what we're going to be doing with the roof wrap today is we're going to go ahead and try to wrap the scoop. So just a little bit of an experiment I've been wanting to do, man. I had a little bit of wrap left over, and I think it's on the 2020 and above TRD-PRO. So I've been kind of wanting to just experiment, give it a try, see what it looks like. So let's go ahead and kind of get started. Let's see what the end project looks like, see if it looks good. If not, we can always tear it off, but hopefully it looks good, man. Just a little bit of something, you know. Don't really want to spend any money on a painted hood scoop. So let's go and wrap it. Let's do it. First thing first, let's go ahead and get the hood open. Alright guys, hey, good thing about the Toyota 4runner, it's got the things that hold it up on its own. So, don't got no hood latch. Not latch, the hood stick, whatever you call it. Anyway, so, it looks like what we got here is we're going to have to take off the underheating, or the hood heat guard, I think is what it's called. I might be wrong, but it looks like it's got a couple different clips, so I was gonna knock those out. All right, so as you can see, I kind of got it to come off. So there's like four little 10mm nuts, it looks like. Word of advice, I bought these like prying tools to pry off plastic pieces, and I broke all the clips. So I'm gonna go down to the hardware store and get some more. I down to AutoZone or something, or a parts store, not hardware store, AutoZone or Riley's real quick, or some auto parts store to get these clips, because my heat guard is not gonna stay on now. Here's a tool that I use. It looks like this, and here's what's remaining of my clips. That there's one. Here's another. Here's another. See it? Oh, hold on. Boom, there you go. Learn from me. Do as I say, but don't do as I do. Is that how that works? I think so. Anyway, so gonna go ahead and knock that out real quick. Looks pretty simple. I'm gonna get these 10mm and pop them off, or pop off the hoods. All right, guys, so got two of them off. Let's go and knock off the other two, and then the hood scoop should be falling off. And boom, just like that, it came off. There we go. All right, guys, so I went ahead and got the 3M 2080 film cut, about the size of the wrap for the hood scoop, as you guys can see there. So boom, bam. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take the heat gun, warm up what is the wrap, and get it malleable to go ahead and just wrap around the bullet. Alright guys, so we got it nice and warm, so what we're going to go ahead and do is just slide the scoop underneath it. Boom. There we go. Just like that. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we pretty much got it all pretty much wrapped around the outside. Now, we're going to do some surgery. I'm just going to take this knife. Hopefully I cut it at the right spot. Cut it. Hopefully this does work. Pray with me, because I I'm doing this right, guys. Alright guys, so as you can see, we went ahead and got it wrapped. You know, don't worry about my inlays, they are outlays because I didn't do it right. And I kind of ran out of wrap, but hey, gotta work with what you got. But there we go guys, as you can see, kind of put it together a little bit again. Please disregard my inlays or my outlays. But, boom, go ahead and just throw this up there. Actually, this just kind of clips back in here. And there we go. Got a TRD-PRO, homemade, daily dose of low style hood scoop. Alright guys, boom, it's done. Let's go ahead and throw it on the hood. Let's see what it looks like. So, as you can see, there's 4 bolts here that are already pre-built into this hood scoop. 3 little clips, make sure it lines up. It should be pretty simple. Just throw that in there, like that, excuse me. And then, just like that, and there it is. Now I just got to bolt it up, but alright guys, you can see it's finally done. So, I mean, this probably could have taken a little bit took a little bit less time, but nonetheless, we got it put together, got it wrapped. Now go ahead and just probably wash it. So, that being said, I hope y'all liked today's video. Hope this inspired some of you guys to try it. If it did, tag me or put a link in the comments to your video. Let me watch it, or to your Instagram. I'd be more than happy to. I'd be interested in and happy to see what it looks like on your guys' truck. But with that being said, again, hit that like button if you liked it. Hit that share if you're interested in this and you have someone else you want to show it to, or if you know someone with the 5th gen 4runner that might be interested in doing this. And if so, hit that subscribe if you're not already. If this is something you're interested in, I got more 4runner content coming. With that being said, y'all already know. Daily Dose of Lows fam, I'm out. Follow your path on 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm out.
Where do we go from? Where do we go from here? No one can save us from keeping clear.